Are you tired of overpriced tablets that promise performance but fall short when it matters most? Enter the TODIMART T3, a budget-friendly Android tablet that's creating serious buzz in 2025. But is it truly a hidden gem or just another forgettable device in a saturated market? In this video, we'll break down real-world performance, smart features, design, and where the T3 lands in the crowded mid-tier space. Spoiler alert, the value may just surprise you. TODIMART T3 Product Overview. The TODIMART T3, released in 2025, is a mid-range Android tablet designed for casual users, students, and budget-conscious buyers who still want solid functionality. Manufactured by TODIMART, a growing player in the affordable tech space, the T3 aims to deliver reliable performance for everyday tasks, think streaming, browsing, video calls, and light gaming, without the steep price tag of Samsung or Apple alternatives. This tablet stands out thanks to its attractive price-to-performance ratio. TODIMART T3 Performance. In day-to-day use, the TODIMART T3 performs surprisingly well given its price range. Powered by a quad-core processor paired with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs internal storage, it handles web browsing, HD streaming, and light multitasking without significant lag. Apps like YouTube, Netflix, Google Docs, and even some light games like Clash of Clans or Asphalt Nitro run smoothly, though you'll notice some slowdowns if you have too many apps open at once. We ran basic benchmark tests, and while the T3 doesn't compete with the iPad or Galaxy Tab S9, it consistently outperformed other tablets in its price range, such as the Amazon Fire HD 10. For casual use, like reading news, Zoom calls, or even basic note-taking, it gets the job done without drama. Features and tech. Let's talk features, and here's where the TODIMART T3 punches above its weight. 10.1-inch IPS display. The T3 sports a vibrant 1280 by 800 HD IPS screen, offering wide viewing angles and decent brightness. It's perfect for Netflix binges or YouTube tutorials, though not ideal for direct sunlight. Dual cameras, 5-megapixel rear and 2-megapixel front, functional but basic. Great for Zoom calls or casual snaps. Don't expect flagship photo quality, but it gets the job done. Expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. Huge win here. The microSD slot supports up to 1 terabyte, giving users flexibility often missing in pricier models. Compared to similarly priced tablets, the T3 offers more in terms of long-term storage options and a cleaner software experience. Design and build. Design-wise, the TODIMART T3 keeps things simple and functional. The metallic back panel gives it a more premium feel than expected, with rounded corners and a matte finish that resists fingerprints. Weighing around 1.1 pounds, it's lightweight enough for one-handed use and travel-friendly. The bezels are noticeable but not excessive, and the physical buttons feel solid. The placement of the volume rocker and power button on the right side is intuitive. Pros: affordable price with surprising performance, expandable storage up to 1 terabyte, clean Android 13 Go Edition experience, solid battery life for casual use. Cons: not suitable for heavy multitasking or gaming. Camera quality is very basic. Display struggles in direct sunlight. Battery life. The 6,000 mAh battery in the TODIMART T3 is one of its strongest suits. It comfortably delivers 7 to 9 hours of mixed usage, including web browsing, video playback, and casual gaming. In our tests, we managed a full workday with about 20% battery remaining. That's more than enough for students, kids, or anyone needing reliable screen time throughout the day. Charging is done via USB-C, and while it's not blazing fast, you can get a full charge in about 2.5 hours using the included charger. For the price, the endurance is genuinely impressive. Price and value. Here's where the TODIMART T3 really shines. At around $110 to $130 USD, depending on sales and bundles, the T3 offers unbeatable value for what you're getting. Comparable tablets like the Amazon Fire HD 10 or Lenovo M8 either lock you into custom ecosystems or skimp on performance. Final verdict? So, should you buy the TODIMART T3? If you're looking for a powerful gaming tablet or pro-level multitasking machine, this isn't it. But for casual users, students, seniors, or families needing an affordable, reliable device for everyday tasks, it's one of the best values out there in 2025. You get a clean Android experience, expandable storage, good battery life, and a solid display.